it, Lauren. Just do the soap.
Yeah.
Okay, next is our Raspberry Cupcake. Is that what we're calling it?
For now.
Okay.
Unless we change our mind.
It's black raspberry vanilla scented, and we try to make it look like a cupcake. So there. Oh, hot dang.
It looks fine.
This is our activated charcoal essential oils rose petal soap that we made yesterday. And we're going to cut. We're gonna lose some rose petals.
But drag the roses through if you do it that way.
The other way is to have the rose petals smushing against the top. So I could. Do you want me to try
If you put the
it?
rose petals on the bottom.
So now we're doing an end piece. Make sure I'm actually gonna get any. Ooh. Ooh. Oh wow. So we tried to do a line of, what was it, hibiscus powder, and it just turned black, and I kind of like it.
That is really interesting.
Well, that's a cool end piece. It's not gonna be a very tall soap. Okay. Okay, so we have a normal side, and then we have some waves.
What?
That was not on purpose.
Huh.
But I kind
How
of
about
like
that?
it.
How about that?
Look who fell asleep in my lap. They're so cute. Look at them.
Dude, not Cooker Parker.
then we have Bendy. Oh, hi Red. You want to be on camera? Want to be on the camera? It's another Friday of cleaning pens. It's my life. So right now I'm cleaning the buck pen. My goals, my schemes are to put the girls in here because they have this outside area because it's supposed to be rainy all week and I don't want them stuck inside. So now they could go out if they want or they can come in. And the boys are not as dainty as the girls and they will be fine if they go out in the rain. The goat pasture does have cover, but the girls are convinced they're dying if they're out and it's raining. So I'm gonna give this a try and see if it works, and I'll just let you know how it goes. Wheelbarrow number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, I took 4 wheelbarrows. Let's see if the girls will come out. Ladies! Here they come. There's my little Miss Piggy. I knew she'd come for food. Sandy. Hello. And we have Jezebel. She's visiting. She's from our friend's farm. And she's here to be bred to Snoopy. And we have the party girl herself. Oh my goodness. Here, let me get some out. Zoe, come get some. Zoe. She's not interested. Number 5. This is from a different pen though. Okay, 6th and final wheelbarrow. Oh no, I've locked a chicken in there. But now they have a clean pen. Trevor.
They love it. Can't you tell? Hey, baby.
Oh my gosh, she could lay down.
Hey, baby. Yeah. Oh.
Do you notice? He's like lounging. Do you notice anything about their pen?
That it's so clean.
Yeah.
You did a good job. You want up? Are you done playing? Hi. You are so sweet. You are so sweet. Excuse me.
It means she likes you. Look at Crocodile is like laying on his side. And Benny's just on top of him.